corn. Corn, corn, corn. We grow it in Oregon. We eat it in school. Harvesting corn, cooking corn, eating corn. We love corn. Late summer and early fall is corn harvest season in Oregon. And for me and my sister, corn harvest is the best time to spend harvesting corn to cook and eat. I'm Stephanie, and this is my sister Jennifer. Each year, our neighbors plant a big patch of corn and let us pick some for our family. We also pick corn leaves for our mother's tamales. We learned at school that corn plants are a type of grass, and the kernels are grains, just like wheat or oats. It sure is some tall grass. Corn also happens to be in our favorite after-school snack, veggie quesadillas with corn tortillas. To make the veggie quesadilla, first we wash our hands, and then we start by making our corn tortillas, just like the ones you buy in the store. Start with masa, which is dried corn ground into a flour. Mix masa with water and roll it into lots and lots of balls, all about the same size. Next, we press the balls into soft, flat corn tortillas. Our mother taught us how to press them by hand, but sometimes we use a press. Now cook them in a pan until slightly brown and puffy. Cook and stack, cook and stack. With plenty of corn tortillas ready, the quesadilla is simple to make. Today we are using a rainbow of vegetables: shredded carrots, jalapeno pepper, bell pepper, beans, and of course, fresh or frozen corn kernels. Sometimes we even have a little yogurt and cilantro on top. Put a tortilla in a hot pan, sprinkle on the beans and veggies, and cover it with a second one. And there you have it, a delicious veggie quesadilla with homemade corn tortillas. We love harvesting corn. We love cooking corn. We love eating corn. We love corn.
To learn more about corn, search Oregon Harvest for School.